Hi, everybody. My name is Crystal Hughes. I'm a registered holistic nutritionist and a food photographer and the creator of Heartfully Nourished, a blog where you can go find nutritious and delicious plant-based recipes and enjoy some nutritional articles as well. So today I'm going to be making a citrus beet salad, and the full recipe for this beautiful dish is in Vista magazine's plant-based love issue, their spring issue. So if you want to go get the written version, you can head over there. So why I made this salad was to help support your liver. And our liver is such an amazing, incredible organ. It does over 500 essential tasks in our body. If you think of it like a pool filter, it's like the filter of your body that's filtering out any contaminants, and it's keeping your body like that crystal clear pool water. So what happens when we're over inundated with environmental toxins, as well as over processed foods, cigarettes, and all different kinds of toxins that end up in our body, our liver can become clogged. And then because that's our number one powerhouse of our body, it starts to create other issues that show up in our body. So we want to keep our liver functioning at its optimum, and there's some amazing foods that you can introduce into your daily life that really doesn't take much to help see a transformation in your health by starting to support your liver. So some foods that you can introduce is one of them that we're going to work with today for a citrus beet salad is beets. Beets are high in betaine, which is what gives them their gorgeous beet color, and that's also helps detoxify your liver. Also, beets are a great blood builder. They contain nutrients that are going to help your blood if you're have low iron, and you can also look into supplementing with an iron supplement as well. And other foods that you can eat are dandelion leaves, almonds, citrus, prunes, strawberries. Any leafy greens are going to really help support your liver as well. So just take into account eating a lot of variety of fruits and vegetables are really going to be beneficial for your liver and your body, and avoiding those processed foods. Lots of caffeine. Caffeine is hard on our liver, so opting for herbal teas, and herbal dandelion tea is a wonderful thing that you can drink. So let's get started on the recipe. So I over here have just put some greens onto a plate. In the original recipe, it asked for arugula, but the store was out, so you can just use any kind of leafy greens as your base for this salad. I've boiled these beets for about 15 minutes. I just cut the beets in half and then boiled them, and they're still hard. They're not completely soft. So then what we're going to do is we're just going to slice our beets. And you could also cube these to make it, if you wanted them cubed as well. So really you can do whatever works best for you and easiest for you. So then we're just going to throw our sliced beets on top of our salad. And then we're going to slice all the rest of the beets and just throw them in there as well. And you can really get creative with this recipe and substitute things or add in things. Hemp seeds or slivered almonds would be amazing on this, or other kinds of raw nuts like walnuts would be also great. And beets are so wonderful and packed full of fruity flavor. You could also use the beet tops too in your greens if you wanted to. If you wanted that earthier beet flavor. I kind of don't enjoy too much of that, but I could add like a little bit of that in there, so you could mix it in with your greens. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how to segment a grapefruit. So this is super easy. Just chop either end of the grapefruit off. Then you're going to take your paring knife and go along the edge. So it's taking all the skin off, and then you're just going to go all the way around the grapefruit, just like this. And then when you're done that, then you have it, you can take off the little bits that you didn't quite get, because the the skin on the grapefruit is bitter, so you want to make sure that you get all of that off. So why we're adding citrus fruits in the salad is because it's high in vitamin C. Vitamin C is an amazing antioxidant that also helps support your liver and many other aspects of your body. So just citrus food is such an amazing thing to introduce into your daily regime. So we're going to slice down right beside the skin on each segment, and then we're just going to pop that out. So that just takes, so now you don't have any of the tough grapefruit skin in your beautiful salad, and then just pop those on the salad, and then just go all the way around. And then if you have a large grapefruit, you can just do one of those. I might add an additional grapefruit because this one's a small one. So just add as much grapefruit as you would like in your salad. And then just adding this in there. And then we're going to do the same thing with the orange that I have, which I probably should have done beforehand so it didn't take so long. But so then you're just going to segment off the orange in the same way. And I'll let you guys do that. Okay. Perfect. All right, so we have, I got a bit of skin on a couple of them, so I can just fix that up after. And then, yeah, do the same thing to your orange. But I will do this after and add that on. And so now that we have our beets and our citrus in our salad, we're just going to throw on some green lentils. Lentils are amazing plant-based protein that also packs fiber and so many other incredible nutrients for your body, and actually it's beautiful for your liver as well. So we're just going to put those on. And I just pre-cooked this and then cooled it off and then drained any excess water as well. And then now that we have all the ingredients in on our salad, then we're going to make the salad dressing. And so I have raw apple cider vinegar, which is amazingly alkalining for the body and also great for cleansing and detoxing your liver. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of that. I'm using 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. This one is organic, and all my ingredients that I'm using in this salad today are organic. And why I use all organic ingredients is because the pesticides that end up being sprayed on our food and the GMO foods end up playing havoc in our body. So whenever I can opt for organic ingredients, I understand that sometimes it's more money, but it's worth the investment on your health because then you're not exposing your body to extra chemicals on a daily basis. But if that's not possible, you can always make sure that you wash all your fruits and vegetables. You can wash them in water with a little bit of vinegar and let them soak, and this helps release some of the waxes and things that they put on produce. And you can also look up the Dirty Dozen. So those top 12 foods you're going to want to be opting for organic versus just buying them regular. So now we're going to add orange juice, 2 to 4 tablespoons, depending on how sweet you want yours. So I'm just adding 1 full orange of juiced, and you can use a juicer as well. So after that, we're going to add in some Dijon mustard, and I just really love the taste of the Dijon with the beets and the greens. So we're going to mix that. And the last thing that you can add either into your dressing or on your salad, in the original recipe it asked for mint, but of course we were out of mint as well at the grocery store. So this is the cool thing, is that you can just substitute. So I substituted for cilantro, and I love cilantro, and cilantro is another incredible detoxing green and herb. So this is, you can pack as much of this on your salad as you like. I could literally eat a cilantro salad, so I like putting a lot of that on there. Okay, so all you have to do is, after you add the cilantro in, mix your dressing as I'm spilling it everywhere, and then pour this on your salad. Perfect. So now your gorgeous citrus beet salad is ready to eat. And I am so happy that you guys came and spent some time in my kitchen with me and made this incredible citrus beet salad. And I hope that you start to foster some amazing nourishing dishes in your home that can support your liver as well as your health. So have a beautiful day, and it was lovely connecting with you. Take care.